talk about the motivational speaker, 5 motivational speaker, but I decided to go with my own words, my own thinking and observation. I am going to talk about the relation between success and hard work. Do you think there is any direct relation between these two terms? Often, many people say that there is a direct relation between these two words, but I not agree with this sentence. There is no direct relation between success and luck. Let me give one example. If you want to get 100 marks, then the 99 marks will come from your hard work, your passion, your loyalty, and just only 1 mark will come the word you often say luck. It will help you to get only 1 mark, but there is 99 word behind this achievement. So I conclude my speech on the last thing that harder you work, luckier you get. Thank you.